How to turn off secure storage on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Secure storage is a new feature on Messenger that allows you to back up end-to-end encrypted chats. Secure storage saves your end-to-end encrypted chat history remotely. If you do not want this option and want to turn off secure storage on the Messenger application, follow these simple steps. You can follow these steps on iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1 is to open up your Messenger app. If you do not have this app, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have open the application, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, on the Preferences section, you should find an option of Privacy and Safety. Tap on this. Here you have the option of end-to-end encrypted chats on security. Tap on that option. Here you have two options, message storage and security alerts. Tap on the first one, which is message storage. From here, at the bottom, you have Manage Secure Storage option. Here you have two options again. One is to turn off secure storage and the second is to delete and turn off secure storage. When you tap on the Delete and Turn off Secure Storage option, that is going to delete all of your end-to-end encrypted backups. If you want to delete it, tap on the second option. But if you only want to turn off the secure storage, tap on the first option. A pop-up is going to appear asking you to confirm. Tap on the Continue option. And as you can see, your secure storage has been turned off. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.